Alright guys, I'm here with Mike Gutierrez. Tell us a little bit about your car, man.
Well, what you guys see here, 1972 Chevy Nova SS, true SS car. Started its life as a manual. Somewhere along the way got converted to auto. This is actually a pretty interesting rig. I got this about 3 years ago from a nice fella out in Taylor, Texas. But before that, this car is actually a Super Chevy Magazine project car. Started its life up in New England. They built it from the ground up for drag racing. So this is, if you actually take a look, an old archive, Super Chevy Magazine, Project What a Drag. And you'll find this girl.
Oh wow.
Awesome. A couple of quick bits. It's a full Dart 509 motor up front, tubular front end, rack and pinion steering, Willwood brakes in all four corners, 9-inch rear, turbo 400 auto, fully built. I mean, it's a built drag car from Super Chevy Magazine. I didn't buy it knowing that.
Right.
When I bought it, it was just a guy out in Taylor selling a Nova. But then after I talked to him a little bit, I got to know some of the provenance of the car. Despite all that, it still has surprisingly good street manners. I probably put thousands of miles on it since I owned it. Just a generally awesome, fun car. I take my daughter and wife out it all the time.
Awesome. So do you race it, or is this strictly like something show and Sunday, Saturday driving?
Like a Sunday cruiser. I take her to some car shows.
Right.
I'm actually not allowed on the track because its best time. Its best time in the hands of the magazine was mid-10s, 10.5.
Oh wow.
Any old car that does an 11.5 or better, you need a cage.
Oh, okay.
So I haven't even attempted it. Didn't want to get in trouble. I mean, I'm not saying I'll break 11.5 on the first time out on the track, but I'm more than capable of it. So I didn't want to take any chances.
Oh yeah, I definitely understand. And she definitely is a beauty. That blue really pops. So I really like that black and blue combo.
The original paint scheme as it came from those years ago when Super Chevy built it. I think she was built in her current form somewhere around 2008, 2009. So before that, she was just some car sitting in some guy's driveway until Super Chevy got a hold of it.
Oh wow.
And it actually got bought by the editor of the magazine, who sold it to his good friend, now me. So, the third owner of it since Super Chevy.
That is awesome. Not a lot of people can say they own a Super Chevy Magazine car, man.
Private cars from a major magazine, they're kind of rare. I don't really advertise or anything because there's really no need to. I mean, it speaks for itself.
It caught my eye from across. I was like, ooh, look. I'm primarily more in the old school myself, old school Chevys and things like that. Some of my friends give me crap 'cause I drive a Ram daily, but that's just my daily. All my projects are Chevy or GM. So yeah, man, I want to thank you for your time, man, telling us about the car. Have a great one, man.
You too.